SBA Publications.
Hello little learners, how are you all? I am your mentor Vedika and I am here with some interesting concepts for you that you should know and that you should clear up in your minds. So let's see which is our first concept, that is heavy and light. That means bhari or halka. We are going to compare things that are heavy and light. हम उन चीज़ों को compare करेंगे जो भारी हैं और हल्की हैं. For example, you can look at this picture. We have this rhinoceros which is very heavy, and in its comparison we have one rabbit which is very cute and very light. That means ये जो rhinoceros है ये बहुत भारी है. However, ये जो rabbit है this is very light, ये बहुत हल्का है. So, in this comparison हमने देखा ये rhinoceros भारी है और ये rabbit हल्का, that means light है. Now, as you can see here, think and grow. Which is heavy? Take the correct option. आपको टिक करना है ये इस माउस और इस लायन में से कौन सा हेवी है. So the heavy one is lion. So you will tick in his column. Okay. So in this way we understand that a lion is heavy than a mouse. Lion mouse से ज़्यादा भारी होता है, right? So after this we have tall and short. For example, जैसे आपके मम्मा पापा आपसे कितने tall हैं और आप अभी short हैं, right? Let's see other examples also. In this picture, the camel looks very tall, and here we have a cat which is very small. Camel cat से लंबा है ना, देखिए. And the cat is small, tiny, just like you small children, right? So here what you have to do, you have to look at the pictures given below and circle the short building. अब इस पिक्चर में आपको एक छोटी बिल्डिंग पर सर्कल करना है. So which one is short building? Is this one a short building or is this one a short building? This here is very tall than this one. तो ये हमारी tall building हो गई, whereas ये हमारी short building. So we will circle over it. This is a short building. Now here we have big and small. That means बड़ा और छोटा. जैसे मम्मा पापा बड़े हैं और आप छोटे हैं, right? So here in this picture a lion is given and a frog is given. So इन दोनों में से बड़ा कौन है? Lion. Yes. And इनमें से छोटा कौन है? Frog. That means lion is big and frog is small. All right. So we will do color the big cap red and small cap blue. आपको big cap में red color fill करना है और small cap में blue color. So which one is the small cap? छोटी cap कौन सी है? This one. So we will fill blue in this cap. Okay, just like this. You have to fill color in your caps and be careful that you fill inside the picture only. Okay? Fill the color blue in the small cap. And which color in the big cap? Red. So you have to fill red color in the big cap. Okay? This is your exercise for big and small. So you have to complete the coloring, I am just showing you which color to do in which cap. In big cap, red color, and in small cap, blue color. Now, we are going to do a concept many and few. That means ज़्यादा और थोड़ा. For example, ये हमारे पास 2 trees हैं, right? और इनमें मैंगोज हैं. अब कौन से ट्री में ज़्यादा मैंगोज हैं और कौन से ट्री में थोड़े? In this tree we have 1, 2 mangoes. But in this tree we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mangoes. तो कौन से ट्री में ज़्यादा मैंगोज हैं? This one. This tree has many mangoes. That means ज़्यादा mangoes. Many means ज़्यादा. And few. This tree has few mangoes. Few means थोड़े या फिर कम. This tree has few mangoes. So now you have to tick the group of many objects. जिस ग्रुप में many objects हैं, ज़्यादा objects हैं, उसको आपको टिक करना है. जैसे in this group we have how many bananas? 1 and 2. There are 2 bananas. In this group we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bananas. So which group has more bananas? Many bananas कौन से ग्रुप में है? This one. So we will take on this group because this group has many bananas and this group has few bananas. Okay. Now we will do full and empty. Full and empty का क्या मीनिंग होता है? Full means भरा हुआ and empty means खाली. For example, this tank is full of water, fish and some plants. However, ये वाला टैंक तो खाली है. So this is empty. This one is full क्योंकि ये भरा हुआ है and this one is empty. That means ये खाली है. इसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है. So now you have to draw 5 mangoes in one basket and 0 mango in other basket. Now write E for empty and F for full. तो आपको one basket में 5 mangoes draw करने हैं. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. नाउ हमारे पास इस बास्केट में कितने मैंगोज हो गए? 5. और हमें इस बास्केट में मैंगोज ड्रॉ नहीं करने. दैट मीन्स दिस बास्केट इज फुल. ये बास्केट तो भर गई, राइट? एंड दिस बास्केट इज एम्प्टी. ये बास्केट तो खाली रह गई. नाउ वी विल राइट E for empty. We will write E for empty and this one is full. So we will write F for full. This was your exercise. Now we will do inside and outside. That means अंदर और बाहर. This one looks very easy, right? Now here in this picture we can see there is a nest given. एक घोंसला है ना? And this is the mama bird of these baby birds. Now we can see ये जो baby birds हैं ये nest के अंदर बैठे हैं और mama bird nest के बाहर बैठी हैं. That means the baby birds are inside the nest. Baby birds कहाँ हैं? Nest के inside. And mama bird कहाँ है? Outside the nest. Nest के बाहर. Okay. Now what you have to do is color the dog that is outside of the kennel. आपको यहाँ पर 2 dogs दिए हुए हैं, है ना? इनमें से आपको सिर्फ 1 dog में कलर करना है. और वो कौन से dog में करना है? जो dog kennel के outside है. That means this dog, it is outside the kennel. बाहर बैठा है ना ये, तो हमें इसी डॉग को कलर करना है. All right, just like this you have to color in this dog only. Okay, you will do this by yourself now. Next one is near and far. That means near मतलब क्या होता है? पास, जो चीज़ पास हो. Far means दूर, जो चीज़ दूर है उसे हम कहते हैं far. Okay, for example, this boy is carrying 2 kites in his hand. इस boy के hand में कितनी kites हैं? 2 kites. 1 kite is near him. एक kite तो इससे पास है. And 1 kite is far from him. Other kite is far. That means वो kite उससे दूर है. क्या है? दूर. For example, this pen is near me. ये पेन मेरे पास है. Right? And now it got far from me. अब ये मुझसे दूर हो गया. Okay? This means near and that means far. All right. Now for think and grow, we have to circle the dog that is far from the house. आपको उस dog पे circle करना है जो घर से दूर है. For example, this one. ये dog क्या है? House से दूर है. Far from the house. Now we will do next concept, that is before and after. That means पहले और बाद में. Okay, for example, in this picture the boy is walking before the dog. Dog is walking after the boy. That means जो dog है वो boy के पीछे पीछे आ रहा है, उसके बाद आ रहा है. And the boy is going before. Boy पहले जा रहा है. So that means this is before. जो पहले जाता है वो before. Okay, and जो उसको follow करता है, जो उसके पीछे होता है, वो होता है after. Let's see what do we have for the exercise here. 3 boys are playing music. यहाँ पर 3 boys music play कर रहे हैं. Tick on the one that is before and cross the one that is after. So इनमें से before और after कौन सा है? सबसे पहले कौन सा boy है? This one. This one is before. So we will tick on him. और बाद में कौन सा boy है? This one. So we will put a cross on this boy. Okay. Now we will do the concept of between. That means बीच में. एक तो हो गया पहले, एक हो गया बाद में, but उनके बीच में जो होता है उसे हम कहते हैं between. For example, here are 3 students sitting. Right? This one is before and this one is after. ये पहले है और ये बाद में. बट जो इनके बीच में है उसे हम कहते हैं between. क्या कहते हैं? Between. That means बीच में होना. So here for think and grow, among the 3 children who is between, write the first letter. यहाँ देखिए इस पिक्चर में 3 children हैं. इशिका, आयुष and this one is रिया. अब आपको बताना है कि इन 3 चिल्ड्रन में से बीच में कौन है और आपको उसके नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर राइट करना है. सो वी कैन सी दैट आयुष इज इन बिटवीन इशिका एंड रिया. इशिका और रिया के बीच में कौन है? आयुष. सो वी विल राइट ए हियर. ओके ओके. सो that was all for your basic concepts. You have to learn these concepts and understand them. And you have to practice them also. अब आपने जब कभी आप बाहर जाएंगे, then you will see so many things. At that time, you have to tell your parents or anyone who is with you which thing is near you, which thing is far from you, which one is big, which one is small. Just like this, you have to practice all these concepts. Okay? Now, learn these concepts and I will meet you after some time. That means in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye-bye.